Well, here we are in a windy Liverpool town centre on a Sunday night. All the shops are naturally closed. It's gone 9 o'clock now. The only places that are open are places to eat food. So we can rule out doing any last minute shopping. You can hear seagulls have moved in here. I'm just going under this shop front to stay out of the rain for a second while I do a quick panorama of the view. There we go. There's a telephone box, straightforward there, and got HSBC Bank on the corner. And panning round, we can see Marks and Spencer's, very famous retail store, TK Maxx. You can buy second goods and things like so. I'm going to switch off now.